Alright, so let's put a footer on this page. What we want to do is put it down here. And we need to put it after we're done with all of our left column and all of our right column. So let's take a look. Here's our right column. And because we indented, it's easy to see where the ending div is. And that would be right here, because it starts right there. See that? And this is the ending div for our page wrapper. And we want our footer to go inside that. So we're going to stick our footer right in here. So div ID equals footer. Alright. And we want to have some copyright information. So there are special little things you can do to make different symbols. To make a copyright symbol, you do this. You start it with the ampersand, and then you just say copy. And you end it with a comma. A semicolon. And so, see right here, there's our copyright symbol. See it? So copyright 2009, whatever. Alright? And we also want to have some alternate navigation at the bottom. So we want our copyright information to be down here on the left, and then our alternate on the right. So let's put this in a span. And let's make another span. And welcome types of fries, about, and contact. Close that. Okay. So we need to float this left and float this right. Let's make another class for floating left. Oops. Okay. And then on the span, class equals float left, and on this one, class equals float right. Okay. Still not getting what we're looking for, and that's because this column over here is floated and this is floated as well. And as you know, whenever you float something, you need to clear your float. So we're just gonna clear our float this way. We're gonna do the empty div with the clear both style on it. Div style equals clear both. Alright, looking good. Now let's give our float, our footer, some styling to make it stand out. Okay? So footer, we want to give it a background color. Okay. And we want to put some height on this. So min height 20 pixels. Okay, And we want to fix some of these margins on here. So 10 pixels on the top, -5 on each side, and -5 on the bottom. Okay? And we want to put some padding on it. Okay? Okay? And I want to make this font a little smaller. So I'm going to change the font size to 12 pixels. Okay? And let's put a little border on the top of this footer. So, border top. 1 pixel. Solid. And this color. Alright. So, let me just make these links actually real links instead of just, placeholder text. See? Okay. So, let me show you what we got. We got title of the page, navigation, nice little picture here, latest news, top fries, welcome, some paragraphs, nice picture here with the text flowing around it, and we got our footer. Alright, so that is it for building this page. It's not very colorful, but we're not really worrying about that. We're just worrying about structure and styling and making everything work. So the next thing we will talk about is making this page valid. And that's very important. So we'll talk about that next time